Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete exercises of chapter number 10, Paplu the Giant. A. Complete the flow chart to show the order of events in the story. Fill in the blanks with words or phrases. First, Paplu was a giant but he hated fighting. So his mother shrank him and took him to a village where he started living with human beings. Second, Angar the bandit had blocked the way out of the village. Raghav was worried that the villagers would starve. Third, Paplu wanted to help the villagers, but he forgotten the magic words his mother had taught him to become big again. Fourth, a 2-year-old girl helped him to remember the magic words. Paplu threw up a blue stone and said the magic words. Fifth, he became a giant again, but one without any cloth. So all the tailors of the village got together and made a set of clothes for Paplu. 6. Paplu wore the kurta and pajama and he beat up Angar and his men and saved the villagers. He became the guardian of the village. Then read the lines and answer the question. Son, you will never be happy in our tribe. Who said this word to whom? Paplu's mother said this word to Paplu. Then, why did the speaker think her son would not be happy there? The speaker thought that her son Paplu would not be happy there because he was different from other giants and hated fighting. Then next, where did she take her son? She took her son to a village where human beings lived. Then second, but Maharaj, please tell me who are you? I have never seen you in these parts. A. Who said these words? Angar said these words. B. Why did he address Paplu as Maharaj? Paplu was in his giant size and he roughed them up badly. So due to fear, Angar addressed Paplu as a Maharaj. Then what happened to the speaker at the end of the story? Answer, the speaker Angar was scared and left village with his men and never went back. Then fill in the blanks with the words and phrases from the story. First, from then on, Arun never missed a game. Second, when I saw the tiger, I froze in fright. Third, there is a nurse to take care of the old man. Fourth, Alice shrank herself too fast through the tiny door in the wall. Fifth, the police caught the gang of the thieves after the theft at the bank. Then the burglars roughed up the shopkeeper until he handed over all the money. Then next, ये सारे साउंड वर्ड्स हैं. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. He drank his milk with a noisy slurp. Second, I could hear the drip drip of water all night. Third, the bowls fell on the floor with a loud crash. Fourth, I was thrilled to hear the jingle of Christmas bells. Fifth, there was an excited chatter of voices coming from the playground. देन सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. अब यहाँ पर आपको क्या बोला है कि रीड द सेंटेंस एंड अंडरलाइन द सब्जेक्ट एंड सर्कल द प्रेडिकेट. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में क्या है? सब्जेक्ट द पिकॉक और बाकी जो भी है वो है प्रेडिकेट, उसको आपको सर्कल करना है. सेकेंड, द विलेजर्स वर अफ्रेड ऑफ द टाइगर्स. द विलेजर्स जो है ये है सब्जेक्ट, बाकी सब प्रेडिकेट. थर्ड, माई मदर ये है सब्जेक्ट और बाकी का जो सेंटेंस है कैरीज एन अम्ब्रेला एवरी डे ये है प्रेडिकेट. फोर्थ, अरुण सिंह ये है सब्जेक्ट. देन हैज़ रिटन अ ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरी फॉर चिल्ड्रन ये पूरा सेंटेंस प्रेडिकेट. देन ऑल द चिल्ड्रन रीच द प्लानिटोरियम बिफोर 10 AM. इसमें ऑल द चिल्ड्रन क्या है? सब्जेक्ट. देन बाकी सब प्रेडिकेट्स. आई फिनिश माई होमवर्क बिफोर माई मदर कुक डिनर. इसमें आई क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है और ये जो है फिनिश माई होमवर्क बिफोर माई मदर कुक डिनर ये है प्रेडिकेट. देन नेक्स्ट, फिल इन द टेबल टू कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. यहाँ पर कुछ इसमें सब्जेक्ट दिए हैं, कुछ इसके प्रेडिकेट दिए हैं, आपको कंप्लीट करना है. सो फर्स्ट, अनीता एंड सोहम आर गुड फ्रेंड्स. Second, grandfather is having breakfast. Third, children are relaxing in the garden. Fourth, my pet kitten loves to play yarn. Fifth, my sister plays piano. Then last one, They love to watch movie. Then conjunction. Conjunction मतलब क्या होता है? These are the joining words. So let's see. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunction from the box. I have porridge and fruits for breakfast. Second, would you like to have butter or jam? Third, Sunil is good at cricket but not at football. Fourth, both my father and my mother go to office every day. Fifth, there were no vegetables at home so we went to buy them.